Hello children, in our previous class we have discussed about the introduction and parts of computer programming language. Let us discuss about the parts in details. As you can see, there are two major categories of low level language and high level language. Low level language has two parts, machine language and assembly language, and high level language has three parts, third generation language, fourth generation language and fifth generation language. Now, what is low level language? A low level language consists of only ones and zeros, two digits. This is machine dependent programming language. That means program written in this language will run on one particular and specific computer. This type of language is easily understood by the computer, but it is very difficult for humans to understand this. It has two categories, machine language and assembly language. Machine language, which is also known as binary language or first generation language, this language is believed to be the oldest language. A program can be written using only zeros and ones to make the computer understand, and data can also be represented using these two digits, that is zeros and ones. These digits are also known as binary digits, and bit here represents single digit, either 0 and 1. 0 represent off state and 1 represents on state. Now, assembly language, that is also known as second generation language. This computer language uses alphanumeric symbols, that means it contains both letters and numbers, and also known as mnemonics. Hence, writing a program in assembly language is more understandable to humans rather than machine language, that is 0 and 1. In this, a programmer writes abbreviation, for example, A for addition, C for compare, etc. And because of this feature, it is also known as symbolic language. Now, high level language. So, it is basically a programming language that enables a programmer to write a program that are machine independent. Means it can be easily run on any type of computer. The main goal of these languages is to make programming easier and less error-free. These high-level languages use words and commands along with symbols and numbers. It is created to be more user-friendly and easier for human to read and write and understand than low-level language. Some examples are C, C++, Java, Python, etc. Now, first part of it, third generation language. In this generation of computer languages, programmer writes and resembles our own English words that tells the computer what and how to do any task. However, specific training is still required to program in these languages. Many third generation languages also uses arithmetic operators, like for multiplication we use asterisk, plus is used for addition, etc. Some examples are BASIC, COBOL, Pascal, C++, etc. Second part, fourth generation language. Second part, fourth generation language also use English-like statement. In this language, one tells the computer what to do, not how to do. It means without explaining how, it is fast and required less time and effort of the program. It is easy to use, that means person with very little programming knowledge and background can also develop programs. Examples are SQL, Perl, Python, etc. Last part, natural language, that is fifth generation language. The fifth generation language, also known as natural language, this programming language has visual tools to develop programs. It is a subfield of AI, that is artificial intelligence. that deals with the ability of computers to understand and process human language. Some examples of this generation language are Mercury, OPS5 and Prolog. This is very easy to use and they are often associated with expert systems. In our next class, we will discuss about different language translators and Python. Till then, read the chapter, complete your work and stay safe.